Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix crashing and freezing on your OBS Studio. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come here on the bottom left, right click on your start icon, click on settings, or you can even search up settings from this search bar. Now come here, click on system, and from here make sure you're under display and then scroll down until you see graphics settings. Okay, now here I have different apps. As you can see, these are set to high performance, and this is the same thing I want you to do with OBS. So come here and click on browse. This will open up your file explorer, and what I want you to do is come here, click on a local disk C. Okay, and then click on program files, scroll down until you see OBS Studio. So here we go, OBS Studio, click on that, click on bin, click on 64-bit, and then click on the exe file. Click on add, and there we go. It has been added. Right now it's on system default, right? Click on options and set this to high performance and save. Okay, now next, I want you to come to your desktop, find your OBS Studio shortcut, okay? Right click on it, and then I want you to go ahead and click here on properties. Okay, now once this pop-up comes, click on compatibility and make sure that you go ahead and toggle on run this program as administrator, click on apply, and then click on OK. And next, after you're done with this should usually work. But if it's not working, that just means that you don't have enough RAM on your PC. So before I used to have a 4 GB RAM PC, and I used to have, freezing and crashing because you just don't have enough RAM to run that while you're running the other applications when recording. So that would be the cheapest solution. Just you add more RAM. Now I have 16 gigs. My OBS runs smooth. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.